Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this delicious, yummicious, soft pretzels. This turned out so delicious and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. Add water, brown sugar, yeast to a mixing bowl. I'm using dry active yeast. You can use the fresh one. Stir this till well combined. Cover it with a cling film and then let it sit for at least 5 minutes. After, let's go ahead with the flour. I'll add flour in my mixing bowl, followed by powdered milk, salt, and stir this till well combined. I'll then create a well in the middle and then add in butter, melted butter, and the yeast mixture. I'll add it to it and mix it till it has formed a dough, and then I'll knead it for more or less 10 minutes. Make sure you have time for the dough. If you want a stretchy dough, a nice dough, make sure you knead it, play with it, have time with the dough, and trust me, your bread will come out so delicious. I'll turn it on my work surface. I then sprinkled a little bit of flour on my work surface. I'll knead this for more or less 10 minutes. So I ate this bread in Switzerland. I went to Switzerland last year and then I ate this bread. I was in love with it, so I decided to do it last year, but I wasn't able to do it. Yesterday it came in my mind and then I decided to share it with you guys. So I'll place it back in the bowl and then cover it with a cling film and let it rest for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll add water in my saucepan and close it, bring it to a boil. So as you can tell here, the dough has doubled in size. I'll then take off the cling film, deflate the dough, and then transfer it on my work surface. But make sure you sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface before transferring the dough on it. I'll flatten it with the tips of my fingers like so, and then divide it into 6 to 7 strips, around 90 to 100 grams each. I'll then go ahead and keep the rest aside, but make sure you cover it with a cling film or a napkin to stop it from drying out. Later, I'll roll one of them in a long shape like so, around 20 to 22 inches. When done, fold it like you're doing egg shape, just like so, and then fold the other one on top. Make egg shape at the edge as demonstrated in the video, and then turn it on top of the dough. Make sure you press to seal or for it to stick to the other one, just like so, and then keep it aside. By then, the water should have boiled or should have come to a boil, and then add in baking soda. So those 6 cups of water, if you are using 8 to 10 cups, make sure you add in more baking soda. So I'll then I'll stir it till everything has come together, and then add in the pretzel. I'll let it cook for 30 seconds on both sides, and then I'll take it out and then continue with the rest. So this is what you're looking for. After, I'll brush on top of the pretzels with an egg wash before putting it in the oven. I'll bake this at 180 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes. Lastly, I'll sprinkle sea salt on top, the rock one. I'll sprinkle it on top, and then I'll put this in the oven for at least 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And after 25 minutes, this is the outcome of my pretzels. This turned out so delicious. It's soft inside. I ate this at Switzerland and I was in love with it. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, just look at this soft, yummicious, delicious. Wow. This bread finished that day, the same day. It finished the same day. I hope you're going to give it a try. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.